Take a deep breath. Relax. Go. Relax. Relax. Good. Then relax. Sir. Good. Very good. Relax. Good. Relax. Hold. Relax. Good. Wow. Good. Relax. Hold. Good. सीधा हो जा. Oh, relax.
You must have done
Relax. Relax.
Physiotherapy center situated in Naharlagan. I was having knee problems, back problem, and also shoulder problem. But thanks to sir and Bhaiya, he treated me so nicely, and he's also very warm in nature. Now I can wrestle freely with no hassle in my knee, and my lower back is also progressing very nicely. And I soon have my competition, and I'm all confident. And I'll just suggest to all the combat athletes as well as other athletes in the town or the city to please come and visit here, because physiotherapy is very important for your performance. That's all that I would like to say.
Thank you.